Hello everyone and welcome back to my playlist of pathology. Today we are going to talk about general concepts associated with X-linked disorders. हमने autosomal dominant disorders की बात कर ली है, autosomal recessive disorders की बात कर ली है. Both these were by definition called autosomal, which means they actually did not have anything to do with the gender or the X and Y chromosomes, right? But अब जो हम बात कर रहे हैं जिन genetic disorders की, जिन Mendelian disorders की, they are actually X-linked disorders. So the Y chromosome is home to the testis determining factor gene, which is called SRY gene, which directs the male sexual differentiation. You know this already. But apart from very rare instances of Y-linked familial deafness, no Y chromosome-linked Mendelian disorders have been reported. So this is very limited number of disorder associated with deafness, and therefore it is called X-linked. You know there are two gender chromosomes, right? There is an X chromosome and a Y chromosome. If it's a XY genotype, then we say that this is a male phenotype, and if there is an XX genotype, we call this as a female genotype, right? So Y-linked disorders समझ लें ना होने के बराबर है. There are only X-linked disorders, okay? So therefore, for the most part, every sex-linked disorder is actually X-linked disorder. So it's an easy way to understand, okay? Most X-linked disorders are X-linked recessive. अब जब ये word बड़ा important है, इसका मतलब ये है कि if there is a male and the male you know is XY, and there is a diseased allele which is present like this, and if there is a female and this female also carries a diseased allele. Now in this instance I'm talking about X-linked disorder. So X-linked disorders by definition are all recessive disorders. इसका मतलब ये है कि अगर इस फीमेल को डिजीज होना है तो इसके दोनों X क्रोमोसोम पर diseased allele honi chahiye. Now this becomes recessive, and now this female will be a diseased female. लेकिन अगर दोनों X क्रोमोसोम में से सिर्फ एक X क्रोमोसोम पर recessive allele मौजूद है, now this is called a carrier female for an X-linked recessive disorder, okay? अब मेल के सिनेरियो डिफरेंट है. मेल में कितने X क्रोमोसोम्स हैं? एक ही X क्रोमोसोम है, और अगर उसी X क्रोमोसोम पर ये डिजीज अलील मौजूद है, so although the disease is recessive, but this male will be diseased. क्योंकि इसके दूसरे क्रोमोसोम पर रिसेसिव होना, we are not talking about Y chromosome at all in X-linked disorders, mostly about X chromosome. So टोटल मिला के बात यह है कि अगर मेल में सिर्फ एक recessive allele मौजूद होगी, disease will present itself. Now this male, for example, will be a diseased male. This is not a carrier male, but this female will be a carrier female. Okay? और फीमेल में अगर डिजीज होनी होगी तो दोनों X क्रोमोसोम पर रिसेसिव अलील होनी होगी, राइट? नाउ हेटेरोजाइगस फीमेल्स, अगर हेटेरोजाइगस फीमेल का मतलब है कैसी फीमेल? ऐसी फीमेल जिसकी एक X क्रोमोसोम पर रिसेसिव अलील है, दूसरे पर नहीं है. सो दैट्स अ हेटेरोजाइगस फीमेल. इट कैरीज एंड ट्रांसमिट. सो दिस इज अ कैरियर. Okay, heterozygous females rarely express the full phenotype because they have the other X chromosome which is normal, right? And you know that in females sometimes अगर एक female situation ये है, ये बड़ी interesting story है कि if this is the female that we are talking about, अब इस फीमेल के पास दो X क्रोमोसोम है, और इस फीमेल के पास सपोज मैं ये 4 डिफरेंट सेल्स की बात कर रहा हूँ, तो इसके पास एक सेल ये है, जीनोटाइप तो इसमें चारों में सेम ही होगा. There will be only one recessive allele, X and एक chromosome पर there will be recessive allele. So all these 4 cells will have the same genotype. But you know what will happen? ये जो diseased allele है, it may present in some cells and may not present in the others because of the phenomena of the X inactivation. So what happens is, हो सकता है ये cell number 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is possible कि सेल नंबर 1 में ये वाला X क्रोमोसोम इनएक्टिवेट हो जाए, बार बॉडी बन जाए, और ये X क्रोमोसोम हो, तो यहाँ पे तो डिजीज अलील है ही नहीं. सो दिस विल बी एन एब्सोल्युटली नॉर्मल सेल. और अगर हम इस सेल की बात करें कि उसमें ये वाला X क्रोमोसोम इनएक्टिवेट हो जाता है, नाउ द X क्रोमोसोम which is remaining is producing a diseased protein, right? So this cell will be affected. This is what we call mosaicism, right? So females are mosaics mainly for this condition, but males में ये disease severely present होती है. So X-linked disorders में ये important बातें जो आपको याद रखनी है. Heterozygous females rarely express the full phenotype because they have some cells में there is X chromosome inactivation of the chromosome which contains the allele, like I explained this in this example, and in some cells the other chromosome is inactivated actually, right? When we talk about an affected male, it does not transmit the disorder to the sons. The reason being, if this is an affected male for X-linked recessive disorder, और इनका बेटा है अगर, तो beta is getting the Y chromosome from the father obviously. So X chromosome जो कि disease था, वो father से son में नहीं गया. So there is no father to son transmission. That's an important point for X-linked disorders. Okay, so I'll stop it here, and from next video on what we will do is start up with individual disorders and talk about their characters. Okay, take care of yourself till then. अपना ख्याल रखिए. Enjoy your life while studying medicine.